All right. Good day, everyone. It's good to be back again. Just for us to continue from where we stopped the last time. The last video we actually considered profit and loss. But in this case, we are going to take it further. We are going to be dealing with profit and loss percentages, which means that we are not going to just stop at calculating profit or loss. We are going to move it further into calculating the profit percentage or loss percentage. So let's go straight in. Now, here we have the formula for calculating the profit percent. As you can see on your screen, we have a selling price minus cost price over cost price times 100%. And don't forget that the numerator here is what we dealt with in the last video when we talked about profit. So this numerator here, selling price minus cost price, actually represents profit. And that is why we have it written here as profit over cost price times 100%. The same thing applies to loss. Here we are going to interchange this cost price and selling price. Then we have cost price minus selling price over cost price times 100% gives us the loss percentage. And don't forget the numerator also here represents your loss. So let's consider some examples. So example 1, we have that the cloth cost 12,000 naira was sold for 15,000 naira. Obviously we know that this is going to end in profit, so the question is requiring us to obtain the profit percentage. So let's go straight into it. We have a cost price. Okay, our cost price here is 12,000 naira, and our selling price is 15,000 naira. Therefore, we take our profit which represents selling price minus cost price, that is 15,000 naira minus 12,000 naira will be equal to 3,000 naira. Now, this is not where I'm going to stop. We are going to proceed. Now we have gotten our profit. We need to obtain the profit percent. So we have a profit percent according to the formula. We have profit percent will be equal to our profit over cost price multiplied by 100%. In that case, we have our profit to be 3,000 naira over cost price. Our cost price is actually 12,000 naira. If you can remember, you can see that 12,000 naira. So let's proceed. 12,000 naira multiplied by 100%. Okay, so we have these three zeros can be out. We have that gone. Then we are left with 3 over 12 multiplied by 100%, and you can have 3 will go in 3, we divide into 3 once, and 3 will divide into 12 4 times. So in that case, we have a 1/4 multiplied by 100%. And we can also use 4. 4 can divide 100. We have a 4 can go in 100. 4 into 100, 4 into 4 is 1, and 4 into 100 is 25. So we are actually left with 25%. So this is the answer to the first question. We obtain 25%, which means that 3,000 naira gain actually represents 25%. So let's move to the next example. Example 2. Example 2 says a market woman buys a bag of rice for 2,500 naira and sells it for 3,220 naira. We have to find the profit percent. Like we did the last time, let's proceed. We have the cost price, in this case, is 2,500 naira. Then the selling price is 3,020 naira. Okay, so since a profit is obtained or made, we are going to take our profit as selling price minus cost price, that is 3,020 naira minus 2,500 naira. So in that case, if you use your calculator, if you remove that from 3,020 naira and 20 naira, you will have 520 naira. So having done that, we proceed to obtain our profit percentage. Our profit percentage is equal to profit equals to profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100%. Okay, so then we're going to have our profit, which is a 520 over the cost price, and the cost price is 2,500 naira multiplied by 100% over 1. So in this case, I can easily do it with these zeros. Okay, these zeros gone. All right, then we are left with 520 over 25%. And if we proceed to press our calculator to find that, okay, now if you press the calculator, you have 520 divided by 25. The outcome will be 20.8. Right, So we have our outcome to be 20.8%. So these are our final answer for the question. Let's proceed to the last question for today. Last question, that is question 3. Okay. Now, question 3 does not directly look like buying or selling, but is about investment. So we take let me take the question. A woman invests 5,000 naira in a company. Now, at the end of the year, she discovers her investment is only worth 4,050 naira. We are expected to calculate first. The requirement is for us to obtain the actual loss, then we also obtain the loss percentage. So what we are going to do is that we are going to take our original investment, that's original money that she invested. Okay, we are going to take that as our cost price, meaning that he invested expecting to make profit, but unfortunately she made a loss. So our original amount invested is going to be representing our cost price. So I will take it as like this. Okay, let's take the first one, that's A. We have now original amount invested is 5,000 naira. Then the present worth of that investment, pardon me for that, the present worth of the investment is 4,050 naira. Since a loss was made, I'm going to say loss will be equal to the original investment, that is a cost price, and the present worth of the investment will be our loss, that is 5,000 naira minus 4,050 naira. So in that case, if you use your calculator, your outcome will be 950 naira. So since we have gotten the loss, let's go to B. The B says we should find the loss percentage. So in this case, we have loss percentage will be loss over the cost price, which is represented by our original investment. That is a 5,000 naira. Okay, over the cost price, and cost price. Okay, times 100%, and we know that our loss as obtained is 950 naira. Then the cost price, which represents the original amount invested, is 5,000 naira multiplied, okay, by 100% over 1. Okay, so if I take out the zeros, that I have here, we have 2 of these zeros can go from here, and this one can go from here as well. Okay, then we have 1 0 left here, and this can also be out. So we are left with 95 divided by 5%. So pressing calculator, if you check your calculator, 95 over 5, that is 5 will go in 95 19 times. So we have 5 here, 1, 5 in 5 is 1, 5 into 95 is 19. And so therefore our final outcome is 19%. And so this is the end of the video. We have come to the end of this class for today. I believe you understand what has been taught. If you have any question, you can ask either on the WhatsApp group or in the comment section below. I will leave you with this exercise. You can practice with this and check, maybe you have a better understanding of the topic. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.